Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. See that right there? That's a loose bit of carpet. Carpet strand right there. Let's see. Right there. See there? This is level loop carpet and it's up, and you could cut that off, but then you're going to leave a little hole there. And if you leave that alone, somebody could snag that or jerk it out, and if they pull on that, it could zip like that, because this back of this carpet is called action back carpet, and this can get worse before it's going to get better. So I would not recommend that. I'm going to show you a trick on how to repair that nice and quick. And I was supposed to start working on a toilet, but I'm going to also work on something else at the same time, and it happens to do with this ceiling fan right here. And I'm going to shut that off. And see this right here? That's part of the trim edge of here. You see these blades? See the nice little rope trim on here? And when something gets loose on here, where is that piece? There it is. See there? There's a piece that's loose right there. And the other piece came off right there. Somebody just started jerking on that, and yeah, you could cut that off, but then the top gets loose. See there? Because it's attached to there, and you cut that off, and the next piece is going to get loose, and pretty soon you're going to have a piece missing here, you're going to have another piece hanging off somewhere else, another piece missing and missing. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that here coming up too. What I have to do with that blade is I've got to take it down. And I'm gonna take that down and put it on the floor, and I'm gonna fix the carpet at the same time. Stick around, I'll show you how. That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.